Boeing completes E divided by a -18G Growler Block III upgrade ahead of schedule for trials. Boeing has again demonstrated its leadership in the aerospace industry by successfully completing upgrades to the E divided by a -18G Growler Block III electronic warfare aircraft ahead of schedule. This success is a major step in supporting the United States Navy's need for cutting-edge combat technology amid increasing global geopolitical challenges. The aircraft is designed to play a key role in modern electronic warfare, and its refinement emphasizes the importance of innovation in maintaining the U.S. military's strategic advantage. The E divided by a -18G Growler is known as a leading electronic warfare aircraft capable of neutralizing threats from enemy radar and communications systems. In the Block III development, Boeing has introduced various technological enhancements that not only extend the aircraft's operational range, but also improve its electronic jamming capabilities against air and ground threats. These are designed to provide greater tactical dominance in a variety of combat missions. One of the key innovations in Block III is the next-generation jammer system, which replaces the previous generation jamming system with more advanced technology. The next-generation jammer provides more precise jamming capabilities and greater range, enabling the Growler to counter increasingly sophisticated modern air defense systems. This technology also allows the aircraft to target and damage enemy communication systems more effectively, paving the way for other air operations. Not only that, the Growler Block III is now equipped with upgrades to the advanced Cockpit system that utilizes a large touchscreen display and intelligent data processing system. With this technology, pilots can manage large amounts of information more easily, improving situational awareness amid complex combat conditions. The system also supports cross-platform integration, allowing Growler to communicate seamlessly with fighters, drones, and warships. The speed with which this upgrade was completed is not only a technical feat, but also a testament to the close collaboration between Boeing and the U.S. Navy. With geopolitical dynamics heating up, especially in the Indo-Pacific region and Eastern Europe, the need for reliable electronic warfare aircraft has never been more pressing. The Growler Block III is expected to be a vital tool in maintaining air superiority and supporting Allied operations around the world. Boeing has also paid special attention to improving the aircraft's durability and operational efficiency. By using advanced materials and the latest manufacturing techniques, the Growler Block III has a longer operational life and lower maintenance requirements than its predecessors. This means more flight time and higher readiness to deal with emergency situations. In addition, the aircraft is now designed to support network-centric warfare. With this capability, the Growler can share real-time data with other military assets, creating a more effective unified operating system. This capability is critical in dealing with modern threats that often involve simultaneous attacks from multiple sources. This accelerated completion also sends a strong signal to Allied nations interested in the capabilities of the A-18G Growler Block III. As the only carrier-based electronic warfare aircraft available on the market, the Growler has become a highly desirable asset for countries such as Australia, which already operates an earlier variant. With more advanced technology, the Block III version is expected to attract more international buyers. However, the project is not without its challenges. Boeing had to face immense pressure to ensure that every component met the strict standards set by the U.S. Department of Defense. In addition, competition with other companies, such as Lockheed Martin, that are developing similar technologies, means Boeing must continue to innovate to maintain its position as a leader in the market. This faster completion reflects how technology and efficient project management can accelerate the development of military solutions without sacrificing quality. This benefits not only the U.S. Navy, but also allies who depend on U.S. technological capabilities to maintain regional and global stability. For the U.S. Navy, the Block III Growler is an important symbol of adaptation to modern threats. In an era when warfare is increasingly dependent on electronic and cyber technologies, this aircraft plays an irreplaceable role in protecting military operations from enemy interference. The ability to neutralize enemy radar and communication systems provides a tactical advantage that is crucial in aerial combat. Going forward, the A-18G Growler Block III will undergo a series of rigorous trials to ensure all upgrades function as expected. Boeing is optimistic that the aircraft will meet all the criteria set by the U.S. Navy and be ready for operations in the near future. The trials will also be an important moment to evaluate how the Growler Block III can adapt to evolving operational requirements. Boeing and the U.S. Navy are now preparing to take the Growler Block III to the next level.